guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with another video, and this time I did a makeup look. So I got this makeup inspiration because of fall. I don't know, I've been seeing so much like fall outfits and stuff like that, and I'm like, oh my gosh, like I need to make a makeup tutorial, like you know, including like fall colors and stuff like that. So I did end up creating this kind of like cut crease makeup look. I wanted it to like be a really dark makeup. So yeah guys, I really enjoyed doing this makeup look. I really hope you guys enjoy it as well like I did. So if you guys want to see how I achieved this makeup look, then please keep on watching. So I'm going to begin by applying my contacts. These ones are by Iris Beauty, and the color that I have is Adore Brown. And let me tell you guys, these contacts are so good. They don't make my eyes red. They look so natural. I just love them. Like right away I fell in love with them. It just makes your eyes really natural. It's just crazy, as you can see. So yeah, they were so kind enough, and they did send me the contacts. So they also gave me a coupon code for you guys for 15% off, and I'll link the coupon code down below for you guys, so go check them out. And I will be linking their website as well. So yeah guys, let's begin with the tutorial now. So I'm going to begin by priming my eyes. I am using the Maybelline concealer to conceal my eyes. I'm pretty sure everyone does this. So yeah, anyways, then I am going to be setting it with some translucent powder, and yeah. So right after I finish doing that, I am taking that really nice like I don't know, orangey color, and I'm applying that right on my crease on my eyes, and I'm just making sure I get that color all over my crease. And yeah, I'm just blending now. Then I'm gonna go ahead and take that really nice brown, and I'm also going to be applying that right on my crease. I'm trying to get like a cut crease right there, like I'm trying to like draw the cut crease, if that makes sense. It was a little difficult for me just because I didn't really have like a really tiny brush that could like help me make my crease, but I did what I could. So yeah. Then I decided to take this really nice green just to make my crease a little darker. So that's what I did, and I'm just blending those shadows together as you see me doing right now. So yeah, and then after I did that, I did went back to a darker brown, and I also applied that right on top of the green that I applied earlier. And right there I did find like a really small brush, so that helped me out a little bit to like kind of like see where I wanted my crease to go. So that's what I'm doing right now. Then I went back with my concealer, and I did cut out my crease like you see me doing right now. So yeah. Then I mixed those two really like golden shimmers, and I mixed them together, and I went ahead and applied them all over my crease. Then I went ahead and applied eyeliner. I didn't really get the eyeliner on camera, sorry about that. But then I went ahead and I applied glitter right on the crease of my eyes. And guys, this glitter works so freaking good. It was so affordable. I got it on Amazon. I will try and find it for you guys to go like check it out because guys, it was bomb. Then I went ahead and applied black eyeliner right on my waterline. And after I did that, I did went ahead and I applied this really nice like white shimmer eyeshadow as you see me doing right now. I did apply that right in the inner corners of my eyes. So I did apply my eyelashes off camera. So now I'm going to start with my face. For primer, I did use my Hangover primer by Too Faced, and then for foundation, I am going to be mixing my NYX foundation and my Estee Lauder foundation. So I'm just going to be mixing both of those foundations together just because the Estee Lauder was a little too light for me. And then I am going to be using my Wet n Wild contour stick just because I wanted to contour my face this time. I don't know why, but I was just feeling myself, so that's what I did. I contour my face because I wanted to look cute, even though I wasn't going nowhere that day. So yeah. Then I am going to be concealing my face with my Too Faced concealer. And yeah, guys, this concealer works so good. It's really light and I feel like I'm not wearing anything on my face or under my eyes, I mean. So yeah, it works bomb. Then I'm going to be setting my under eyes, and I am also going to be applying setting powder all over my face. For bronzer, I am using my Anastasia bronzer. This one is my favorite, guys. It works so good. It's so pigmented and I just love the color. So yeah. Then I applied my blush. This blush palette, it's by BH Cosmetics. And guys, let me tell you, I use this blush palette every single day. I just love it so much and it's super affordable. So yeah. Then I went ahead and then I applied highlighter. The highlighter, it's by Anastasia and Feet, I believe, Nicole Guerrero. So yeah. Then I went ahead and I did apply my lipstick. This one is by Milani and I love this color. It's like a really dark brown. So yeah, I think we came to an end, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed it and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.